Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to add school, college, or university to your Facebook profile. So first step, head over to your Facebook app. And as you do that, get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. Here you're going to have to tap on the pencil icon that you see on your top right hand side. Now as you do that, scroll below. Here you will see education. Tap on secondary school or college. And at this page, select if you would like to add university or your secondary school. Once you have selected your option, type in the name of the university. So I'm going to go with random one. So go ahead, select your start and end date, and also mention your field of study. And if you have a dorm, go ahead, mention that as well. Give descriptions if you would like. You can also add some activities you were involved in, and also the class you were taking. And if you would like to make it public, make sure public is toggled on, then select save, and then it will be shared. After you have shared it, you will be able to view it under your profile, just like this one right here, which I've already added. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.